this weapon by organizing awareness campaign and workshop. We can spread this important message. So we should also consider starting or joining clubs focused on drug prevention. Here, where we can support one another and promote healthy healthy choices, volunteering with local organizations like the people people na natokang so they can change their life to against drugs. So the tackle drugs issues is another way we can make a difference. Let's not forget the power of social media. Social media, we can use our platforms to share information and resources, reaching a broader audience. Ultimately, our collective efforts can create a safe, safe and healthier community. So together, we can stand against drugs and make a lasting